Greetings, Poke fans. Jonathan here. And last week I made a video where I discussed which was the best animes to watch. I am having with the biggest probability that you have watched it. And if you've not, then please go in the description right now and click on that link below and watch it right now, because this video is based on that video. So for all those who have seen that video, I also included Pokemon, and also mentioned to you that Pokemon regions are 8. That is, Pokemon has 8 regions. Each of them have their own characteristics. With having own characteristics, they focus on Ash's journey in that region in a different way, and you little Poke fans have your own opinions about that region. So it almost becomes imperative to have the common decision that what could be the best region. Since different have different opinions, it becomes difficult to keep the right rank. So I wanted to take that risk and check out that which was actually the best regions. In other words, ranking every region. Instead of ranking every region, little publication was needed, because my opinion will surely not be liked by you people. Or maybe sometimes if it's my good suggestion, then maybe that is possible. So what I tried to do is I took a couple of voters and almost everybody had the same suggestion. So my rank was almost really very good. So I didn't actually have to do all that voters. But still, that gets guaranteed that I have done the best rank. So before starting, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also watch Hyper Potions, since they are so sincere that they are allowing you YouTubers to use their EPDs in your videos, I mean to say, my bad. So now we're going to start, and right now. So in the 8th position, Alola. The Alola region is the 7th region in the Pokemon main series, and oh my goodness, it's so miserable, I cannot express it in the video. You know what about that region is? Ash is a big goof. He is a big stupid kid in that region, a 10-year-old kid. In the previous region, he was said to be 16. But in the Alola region, he became 10! Oh my goodness, that's so confusing. I don't really understand why. Okay, but 8th problem is aside. It happens in almost every region. What is the main to focus is that Ash is having a different mental way of thinking. He was such a mature kid in the previous region, but in the Alola region, he sucks. Well, he is stupid, that's what I mean to say. And one thing which was expected there is that Serena would return. But that didn't happen, and I'm so happy that it didn't happen. You know why? Because Serena, Clement and Bonnie and other people always thought that Ash was a leader. But was he a real leader in the Alola region? I can't think more. I think I should just get on to the next 7th position. And in 7th position, it is Johto. Well, Johto, what I can say over here, well, there was nothing really very bad. Something really good happened is that the animation became much better than the Kanto region. That's what I have to say, just keep that in mind. But Johto region, I guess so, it focuses on battles. It doesn't really go on too much of adventure. And if there is good adventure, good humor, it really is about battling, about Team Rocket. Oh my goodness, that is so negative thinking. No really good choice of making episodes were made there. I guess that's really miserable there. Sad enough. In the sixth position, we have Kanto. Kanto. You heard it right? Well, Kanto is over here since it has such a bad animation. It's even worse than Alola, I can say that. Though Alola is like a cartoonish. What is actually mean about Kanto is that the characters. I know Misty and Brock weren't a really very bad idea, but well, what happens is that I don't really love them because they really don't focus so much. Don't really like them, except for Brock. In the fifth position, we have Galar. Galar region. In the Galar region, there is nothing really bad since it's still in progress. It still can get much better. And what is actually supposed to happen is that someone is supposed to return. Actually, Serena, but not only her, also Misty, Brock, and I think so all the characters. Oh my goodness! I don't really know how they'll do that. So what's really bad over there is the character animation. Character animation is different from animation. The animation is like Pokemon X and Y, but the way the character looks is little taken from Alola region, because Alola region had a complete setup of cartoon. I don't really like it too much. Animation is bad. And in Galar region, well, actually Ash became much more better. But I don't understand how the hell Lugia came in the first episode. Maybe it was second. Yes, it was second. I'm so sorry. Again, my bad. But Lugia, isn't he in the Johto region? Does he follow Ash like a bodyguard? A Soul Silver Pokemon? Oh my. It's so negative thinking. I don't understand what the sequence is all about. Oh my goodness. I can conclude all that over here. Oh my. Before going to the fourth place, let me tell you, now you don't have to really bother about the bad animation since the remaining four are really a good animation. They don't really have to make you bother about that thing anymore. That's all. So, in the fourth position, it is Hoenn region. Hoenn region over here, since first time there is some new characters coming inside Ash's group. It was Misty and Brock again and again in the Kanto region, in the Johto region, and then really great fun. So the fun really changed. Good for that. Thank you, Pokemon Company. So one thing again, the animation became little much better, but the animation doesn't really count. What really counts over here is that there is so many episodes. So many episodes. I guess the Battlefront simply came over there. But that's why again you don't have to bother about Battlefront. If you want, you can skip it out. But in the Hoenn region, one problem is there, which is not in any other region. That is Max. Max is a little 7-year-old kid. Oh my goodness. His English voice is so terrible, so cranky. I don't really like to hear that voice. Though I hear it in Hindi, Max hasn't caught a Pokemon till now. He only can talk to Pokemon in such a way like Deoxys and Jirachi and other kind of Pokemons, and he's not having a Pokemon of his own. There was a 7-year character in the X and Y series that was Bonnie. And Bonnie at least had someone who was guaranteed when she was 10 years old. So why is Max not having a guaranteed Pokemon? Though Ralph is there, but still I don't really understand. Ralph should have at least been with him. Although maybe in May's confidence there. But the whole region is quite a good region. Well, that's a message for me. You don't need to read it. In the third position, we have Pokemon Diamond and Pearl series. Diamond and Pearl is loved by many. I know that. But I don't know why. Though maybe my bro likes it. He's the patron of my video. Well, in Diamond and Pearl, one thing which is very great is that it has a good animation. But again, animation doesn't count here. I just told you. Diamond and Pearl, the Sinnoh region, over here, so much of buildings and civilized cities and no much forest, no much of really fun, too much of mysterious Pokemon like Deoxys, Giratina, Arceus, and then Dialga and Palkia for sure. Oh my goodness, that's too mysterious, too much of psychic Pokemon. I don't really like psychic Pokemon since it's full of mystery. The economy is really very high in that country. I don't know why. But well, I don't really like it that there's so many episodes in it. 179. Till now I've only watched. I'm trying to watch a region online which has only 100 episodes. And it's been 3 or 4 months that I haven't watched 100 episodes. That is the entire region that is 100 episodes. I haven't yet watched it. And you expect us to watch more 80 episodes, then you could spend another year or maybe 1.5 year watching only that? Oh my goodness. I guess you don't have time for others, but you have time for that. That's so negative. Oh my. And in the second region, or the second position, we have Unova. Unova would have come little far, maybe little bad position. That's because I thought everybody likes the Diamond and Pearl. That is Sinnoh region, but it actually was wrong. I actually made a vote and Unova kept getting all the votes. Everybody voted for Unova region. Though the number 1 is booked, because I know that everybody loves it even they've not watched it. That's why Unova region is high, since it's got a good vote. I'm happy for that. But keeping aside that, there has to be so many reasons for Unova being high. Many like it, that's one point. It has a good animation and Ash's facial way is good. He is like a correct character. Correct character means the best character, that's what I have to say. No much of negative thinking. Over here, I like the way the journey continues. That's what actually makes everyone like it so much. So much. But one problem only is there in the region. It is the companions of Ash. Iris is the main one. I don't know why she has such a different habitat. She is living in the forest with a Pokemon in her hair, and you expect that from anybody like that, then you are such a dumb person. I don't really know why. Then afterwards she acts so modern. I don't know how she came into that world of forest into the cities. And Silent is the second one. Over here Silent is a cook, so that was good. Otherwise no one would have to cook for them. Well, even if they Forget cooking style. I don't understand why he goes like a servant everywhere. You expect someone like that, and they'll think that you are too different from the world, like a Portuguese, French, Russian guy. But still, I enjoy that region a lot. And you know, it is supposed to come on TV right now. Because of the IPL, it's been delayed more. It was supposed to come in this month, I think, but because of IPL, forget it. Anyway, it's going to come in Hindi. I don't really matter about it. So let's go to number 1. Carlos region. Alright, the way Carlos got his vote is my opinion. Because I knew everybody loves it. I love it, for sure. And maybe the entire world likes it. Whoever's seen it. Because in India it never ever came on TV since they couldn't afford it. That's why things are dubbed like that in Hindi. It could be in the official language English. Oh my goodness. That's why since no one is being able to see it and getting misunderstood that the Kanto region and Carlos region, nobody has watched it online in India. That's why it's back. But the reason Carlos region is good is because the animation. Nothing else can actually get into it. The Carlos region has a good animation and character animation. There is no one who can actually battle with the character except for Ash's face. Over here is the childhood character Serena, who I have mentioned earlier in the video, who has accompanied Ash. That was a good one because Ash has traveled 5 regions. He has gone through 5 regions, and then suddenly the story of some childhood friend has come. That's so great. And Ash is mature. That's the third point. In sense of being mature, he doesn't act like a kid and he gives some kind of jokes or memes. He is developed. I really love this region, but our only problem could be is that camp place. It is somewhere at the end of the first season of X and Y. Over there, they go for a camp with Clement, Bonnie, Serena, and Ash. And all of a sudden, then they are there meeting people. I don't really understand what the final decision about that thing is. It shouldn't actually have come. So, here you go. I have ranked every region, and I'm sure you will agree with this because it's being publicated. I'm sure no negative thoughts. So, if you have a problem, then you can still comment me. I have no problem. So, thank you for watching my videos till here. And please subscribe my channel since 95% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel. Oh my goodness. So, thank you for viewing again. And let's meet next